bottom of the river.
Got lots of bruises. Hey.
Okay.
That's Flaming Gorge.
So this is called the Green River. Look at it, guys. It's all green.
It is pretty green.
It's called.
You want to do what? Oh, what in the air? You want to crash in the air? Oh, splashed in the air.
No.
Yeah.
Andy.
Andy's gonna go over.
There's a rock on.
Whoa, what are you doing?
No.
Oh no, what's oh no, overboard!
Is it cold enough for you?
You're not gonna come sit by me, are you?
Can you reach the bottom?
She can't
I
even
don't want to see if I can.
She can't even breathe.
You need some help?
Is it cold?